Hello everyone, welcome to StudyTube. In the previous video of digital electronics, you have learned about how to find base or radix of a number system. If you have missed that video, just click on I button to watch that video. Today, you will learn how to do addition in any base. You already know about the base. Decimal number has base 10. Octal number has base 8 and hexadecimal number has base 16. So let's start with decimal addition. I think everyone know how to add two decimal numbers from childhood. We will recap the decimal addition and by the same process we will learn octal addition and hexadecimal addition. Here is two decimal numbers. One is 57 and one is 56, and we have to add these two decimal numbers. Addition starts from right hand side. So 7 plus 6, that is equal to 13. Now there is one place where you can write the result, but you got result of 2 digits. So this result 13 will be divided by base 10. So after division, 1 is quotient and 3 is remainder. Now the remainder 3 will be placed on the result and quotient 1, that will be the carry for next addition stage. In the next step, 1 plus 5 plus 5, that is equal to 11. Now again you have to repeat the same step. So 11 will be divided by base 10. So here is quotient 1 and remainder 1. Remainder 1 will be placed on the result and there is no number left to add. So carry 1 will be placed also there. So the result is 113. Now the octal addition. Again the same numbers 57 and 56. But these numbers are octal numbers. In first step, 7 plus 6, that is equal to 13. Again the result has 2 digits. So we have to divide 13 by base 8. Here base is 8 because this is octal number. After division, we get remainder as 5. So we will place 5 in the result and quotient 1, that will be the carry for next stage. In the next stage, 1 plus 5 plus 5, that is equal to 11. So that will be divided by base 8. After division, remainder 3 will be placed on the result and quotient 1 will also be placed there. So the result is here 135. Now hexadecimal addition. Here we take two numbers 5C and 56. These numbers are hexadecimal numbers. In the first step, C plus 6. Here what is the value of C? C is 12. So 12 plus 6, that is equal to 18. That number will be divided by base 16 because hexadecimal number has base 16. After division, remainder 2 will be placed on the result and quotient 1 will be the carry for next stage. In the next stage, 1 plus 5 plus 5, that is equal to 11, and 11 will be divided by 16. So remainder is 11 and quotient will be 0. Remainder 11, that means in hexadecimal number, that is B. That B will be placed on the result. So the result is B2. So I hope in this video you have understand how to add numbers in any base. If you like this video, then subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Stay updated with StudyTube.